I think the hardest part is knowing every single detail about their life. Know what they like for food, know what they want to do in their free time, know what they want to do after high school, college, etc., what they want to do with their life. And then you're asking for new names, what their favorite color is. That should be something that people should be more prepared for. There's nothing you can do to prepare for that. I think that's what scares people after they lose someone, is it happening again, because there's nothing you can do to prepare for it.
Take me back to the night when